Marachi Lambo. I just say, your name is Marachi, not be Sophia. Lambo. Do you even have a land? Lambo. Sophia, no catch up. I know that's not what Ajili they talk. Lambo. See, that is not the trainer. Everybody don't use and talk. If Burna can't draw freestyle. Now, if you say that freestyle makes sense. No, we won't talk to you. That freestyle makes sense. They don't rate me for this industry. Make they come make a right freestyle for them. Imagine if Burna just call Odumodu. Say Alpha, say black native. Say what's it say black native. Say Odogu, and the guy I don't know how they talk, whether the thing they work with his face. Just watch my face. Odogu that guy fuck up. That guy fuck up. More let that guy no. Imagine if Burna Boy and Odumodu enter studio, drop that song. He go enter number 1. I don't really sabi sing like Burna, but I try small. More try. All in favor, say hi. The song will come be Lambo for Lamba. Or Lamba for Lambo. DJ, drop on. So if I stand here, the Burna Boy, if I stand here, the Odumodu. Volume. That guy didn't enter my head.
My nickname is Papi.
They call me Burna. Black, native. Burna Boy will just start. Say, this girl for long I've been chasing. Finally she crazy, me crazy. One night the team be like film trick. Burna Boy. Ah baby ah cow. She say make a buy am cow. Ah baby ah cow. Yeah. She said before we collabo, I go pay for a Lambo. Emi omo ego. I tell her me she no worry yo. Brother, surely collabo Lambo. Lamba for Lambo. Oniki collabo Lambo. Lamba for Lambo. Surely collabo Lambo. Lamba for Lambo. Collabo Native. She say if you no be Lamborghini, she no dey gree. For tatata we no sweet. Big color industry machine. As you dey drive me daddy, I say make she come over. I come over, she come over, all over. She say big color, we my car. Allegedly this is all over. Surely, this is big color. Yeah, yeah, David. Very good. This is our work. We have to keep to date. My pastor must not see that joke. Experience is gone. I used to stay with my parents, but now my parents. And you can say, I get people who pray for me. Tell me, say, Kennyblaq, if you keep doing what you are doing, people will call you. People like AY pray for me. I know they say amen to every prayer. But I saw my landlord pray for my cousin. Say, you are going places. Till today, we don't know where the guy is. The guy just walk up and down. I say, where you did? He say, I did places, but no get address. But when they pray for me, somebody pray for me, say, Kennyblaq, president will call you. Ha! I say, amen. I've been opportunity to speak to 2 presidents. The only president I want to follow talk. Now, Donald Trump, because I know the year waiting they talk. I'm going to make America great again. When I make America great again, Joe Biden is not going to win. Say, we know. We know that everybody in Nigerians are coming home. Yes, they are coming home. They're coming home. But when you pray for me, say president will call you very distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. 2019, Buhari flashed me. I call him back. I didn't hear you. When I go hear his voice, that man has the calmest voice. I just hear, hold on for the president. Hey, how are you? When did that speed work right here? I said, what am I going to do? He said, what do you we can come with Boo. I caught the call. I do event. 2 days ago, Tinubu called me. Chakaban. That man's voice sexy. As I hear hold on for the president, I just hear, As I crack this joke, I see prison. So as you video everybody. I don't think go jail go a day and they come. I said, who is this? He said, what do I do when I'm ready to make a comedy? I said, thank you, sir. He said, Kennyblaq, when you do a town hall? Different from. All of us don't die like this. As music, they trend around the world now. Now, we cannot say Wizkid don't close to Tinubu, and we just say, Your Excellency, Your Excellency. I'm not telling you about how you know what I do here. I'm not telling you anything here. Your Excellency, look up on the there is the music. How do these people know me? It is because of my music. My music. Your Excellency, if you want to win this next election, you have to do music. Look at me. I have a band. Yendeba, 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 yendeba. Even if people know my song, let me try it. As we dey sweet us, eat it. As we dey. So, Your Excellency, you have to drop a music. Tinubu, I don't know how to do it. I've never done a song before. So how am I going to sing it? They say, Your Excellency, I will arrange my band. My band and you will compose the song. Eventually in River State. When we get there, we will shock them. I will be the MC. Our next election, we just see Wizkid, we just come. Hey, buddy, settle down. You are shaking your head. You think I'm going to shaking your head. I'm shaking your head. You think I'm going to look at that. I'm bringing on stage our president. But I bet you know. Boom. You can call him Jaga. Band, music. Just come. Follow. We are paid for it. Back up.
Jagabon. They call me Jagabon one day. Jagabon. They call me Jagabon one day.
He go come give his speech. We are getting here in M.O.P show because you are going to jail with me in a town hall different from Falafel. My administration is going to make everybody here give a subtraction and not an information. Two, not just
let the poor breathe.
don't support them.
Let the poor breathe.
We have no responsibility.
Let the poor breathe.
People asking what I will do when I get back to office. I'm delighted to tell you, I'm a big one. First day in office.
First week in office.
Yes.
Hit the ground running.
Second week in office.
Hit the ground running.
Third week in office.
Hit the ground running.
Enjoy your weekend. Ladies and gentlemen, wow, that's my time. I hope you guys.
All right, ladies and gentlemen. M.O.P. Laughing Star.